I guess it's time for a channel update. So yeah, I just hit 1,000 subscribers, so I figured it'd be time to do a little channel update. First off, I just want to say thank you for being a supporter of the channel. It really means a lot to me. I'm going to keep going with this channel. You can count on that. I'm going to be pumping out more videos this year. And just like before with my 100 subscriber video, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below for you to sign up for my email list. If you sign up within the next 2 or 3 weeks using the link in the description below, specifically this link in this video, you'll be added to an exclusive list to celebrate 1,000 subscribers. If you're already on my email list, you can still sign up below to get on this exclusive list. You won't get double emails or anything like that. It's the same list. But if you subscribe to my email list using the link in my 100 subscribers video, then you don't need to subscribe to this list because you're already on the exclusive list. And the benefits of signing up to my email list using the link below is simply 1, you're going to get exclusives, and 2, you're going to be notified earlier than everyone else. And as far as the channel update goes, there's going to be new videos, there's going to be new types of videos. I'm going to be releasing a paid course in the coming months for Notion. So if you're using Notion right now and you need some help, or you plan on checking out Notion soon, definitely sign up for my email list or follow me on Twitter so you can find out when I release that course. Alright, almost done. 2 more things. I'm going to be launching a second channel soon for extra bonus content that doesn't fit on this channel. Stuff like vlogs, bonus footage, behind the scenes, product reviews, and just overall stuff that doesn't fit or make it to this channel. So if you want to hear me rant more about things I love or hate, or you just want to know more about what's going on in my head, definitely subscribe to that channel. I'll leave a link in the description below. And last but not least, I'm going to be creating 2 new email addresses, one for your feedback and one for your requests. So I'll leave those down below as well, and you can use those email addresses to just give me some positive or negative feedback about me and the channel, or you can send me an email about an app that you want me to check out to cover on this channel. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I got a lot more interesting stuff on the way, some angry stuff, some positive stuff, but mostly positive. Don't forget to check out the links below, and I'll catch you in the next video.